this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make the words and the letters and everything easier to see on your PlayStation. So you can see all the letters are a little bit larger, and also I'm using the high contrast, so the dark background is darker and the words are lighter. So what we can do is go up to the top, go to settings, and then go to accessibility. So if you're sitting far away from your TV, this is actually pretty useful. And you have the option to invert your colors. This is what it looks like. And then we got larger text and bold text. So that will help see the text a little bit easier. And then we have high contrast. And I actually like the high contrast on. Allows me to see the background. It improves the clarity of things on the screen. So this works in some features, probably not in all your games and stuff like that. So you can just turn on these options under accessibilities. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.